It is November 7th, 2018. Going to house number 3 to drop off some leases, and while I'm there, do filter replacement and all that stuff. So this is the same house where there are 3 younger boys. Actually, there's 2 houses that have 3 younger boys, but this one, the one is moving out, and so I had to redo the lease for 2 of them rather than 3. So that's where I'm headed, and I don't know. Usually there's something fun or funny with this house whenever I go in. So I'm also going to house number 4 on the way back. Just to change out the filter. If there's anything funny there, I'll show it, but otherwise I'm not going to film it. It's alright. Until then. Alright, so I walk in the door, and this is the first thing I see. Like, okay, so ends up, it's a sign. But all I saw was the last part. That's just funny. So, this dude, we've just got 2 14 by 20 by 1 filters. Ooh. Fairly nasty. I don't know what that is. It's like leaves. And the other one is in the closet. It's not as bad. Okay, where's the direction thing? There it is. Alright, simple as that for the filters. This thing, I'll show you. Well, hold on. I'm going to fill this up with water and I'll start again. Alright, so down here in the garage. So this dude, well, you can see here where outside is. So this one's sitting in the middle of the house-ish. So there's no easy way for it to sweat outside. So what this has is a condensate pump. So it comes down through here and goes into this pump. And when the belly gets full, it pumps it outside through this tube. This tube runs all the way along the top, and that's ground level outside. And it just empties out there. So what I do here is just, I'll fill this thing up with water, and then I pour a bunch of water in here and get the pump to run a few times. Well, really 2 times, just to flush out. And it's quick, it's almost full. So it pumps it out, kind of cleans the tube out. Taking its time. Alright, and then I'll fill it up again if I've got enough water. And I don't spill it all over the place. Come on, man. Terrible. Holds a lot of water. Of course, in the summertime it sweats a lot too, so I keep on getting worried that there it goes. The pipe, this plastic right here, is going to go bad, which I'm sure it will, but I don't want to replace it. I can feel it right now, and it's still feels like it's got some softness to it, I guess, if that's the word. So that's basically it for this dude. So we will finish this one up and go on to the next. Until next time.